Are you a small business owner who is feeling lost on the internet? You got a great product or service, but people or customers aren't coming into your shop. And you see these big companies or media sites is dominating the online space and local space. And you're wondering how can I compete with them without breaking my bank account or spending huge amount of money? If you're slowly nodding yes to these questions, then this video and video series is for you, because what I'm going to teach you in this is digital marketing for small business owners. I'm going to teach you exactly all the ways which you can do digital marketing for your business at the level you are comfortable, because it is not going to be perfect or very advanced or over complicated a lesson. I'm going to break down this into a very simple, easy to follow, beginner friendly and non technical way. Even my mother can do it. Actually, she is actually doing it herself. She runs a tailoring education business. She has a website, YouTube channel, social media pages, and she accomplish all these things which I taught her. She has over 5,000 plus subscribers on channel, group over 20,000 members, website which brings around 5,000 visitors a day. And I'm going to say teach you the same thing which you can apply it for your business and see the results you want. So if you are ready to put the work, I'm going to teach you the best way to do the digital marketing for your business. Before I go into the guide, just a brief intro about me, because if you're wondering how I'm qualified to teach you this, I run two digital marketing agency. I have 12 plus years experience in this field. I have also taught more than 30,000 plus students worldwide. I will leave the full readme bio in the description link. If you are interested in it, you can check it out. But I'm not going to focus this video on me. I'm going to focus entirely on you and your business. So let's get started. First, let me take few minutes to explain why digital marketing matters, because you know the importance of digital marketing. That is the reason you clicked on this video and you're watching to this point. But sometimes you might have missed some of the major benefits digital marketing brings to the table, and knowing these benefits will extra motivate you to keep focused on learning digital marketing and applying it for your business. And I'll explain you few right now. First, it is a 24/7 salesperson for your business. Imagine this: you are running a shop. You are not going to keep opening that shop for 24 by 7, because you need employees for that. You need to be running all the expenses and everything. From time to time you might close down the shop, or you might have a schedule for your shop. But when you are doing digital marketing for your business using internet to promote your business, basically it is going to be working 24 by 7. There is no stopping in it. It is going to be available all the time. Customers can learn about your business all the time. They will can even buy from you all the times, and when you are available you can help with them. So that is the beauty of digital marketing. It is going to be operating for you 24 by 7. The next important is called cost effective, because digital marketing can be expensive and also can be affordable. It is going to be based on how we are going or what kind of strategies we are going to use. Traditional advertising don't work like that. Most of the time, traditional advertising which bring you mass audience, it is going to cost you a lot of for it. For example, radio ad, TV ad, or even a newspaper ad is going to cost you. But with digital marketing, it's all up to you. You can spend just $5 or $10, $500 or $5,000. It's all up to you. The result and effort is going to be vary depending on the need. So whatever the cost or the budget you are comfortable with it, you can use that for your digital marketing. The next benefit is going to be measurable results. This is a key factor when you are doing digital marketing. When you're using local marketing methods or strategies, most of the time you might not able to see accurately how many people were impacted by that ad, how many people got interested, how many people actually came only from that particular ad and purchased your product. It is general, it is very hard to measure it. But with digital marketing, Every sale, every visitors, every interaction, every conversation, everything is measurable and trackable. So you exactly know what marketing strategy or what method you used brought these customers to your business. So measurable results plays a huge role in digital marketing. The next benefit is called same level. Basically, it levels the playing field for you. Does not matter how big a competitor, or does not matter how big companies you are competing with. Even in a local offline mode, you might have struggles competing with them. They might have huge banner board, they might have huge marketing channels, they might go after your customers very aggressively, where you are not able to compete on them. But with digital marketing, you set off our secret set of resources with you, where if you use your knowledge and intelligently market, even you can compete with these big companies, and you can have a very unique way of attracting customers to you. So does not matter how big your competitors is, with digital marketing and without some creativity on your end, you can still play and compete on them on a same level without spending that much with them. Okay, now you know the importance of digital marketing. Now let's quickly see what are the methods available for you in digital marketing which you can apply for your own business. The first one, it's called website. Website is very important. It is almost like the basic component of digital marketing. Website is going to be a website for your local business or small business, where any people who is interested can come into your website, learn about your business, and they will or hopefully turn into a customer for you. That is the purpose of your website, is going to be a e-shop for your business, because basically website you put all information about your business, product you are selling, services you are selling, personal experiences, about us pages, gallery, all these things. So basically it's a website is a shop for you which exists on the internet and running 24/7. So website building, website optimization for your local business is going to be a key digital marketing strategy for you. The next one is called SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Basically this is what helps you to bring your website on the top results of search engines such as Google, Bing, and other popular search engine. So whenever a customer is going to be going into one of these search engine and type something relevant to your business, something he searches for, with the SEO, with doing SEO for our website and our business, we want to make sure that the customer sees our website, or the customer sees our local business and comes into our local business listing, or comes into our website to learn more about our business, and they come into and try to make a purchase or hire us for a particular service. So that is what SEO does for us. Then we have content marketing. Content marketing is where it is a strategy we use to create relevant content which attracts your target audience. It is not always going after main keywords, or it's not always going after the big one. We actually want to create content in terms of text based media, images, video, any sort of content which attracts our target audience. So by that we are organically engaging with our customers, which will bring them to our business, which can lead them into our customers as well. Then we have social media. This is a very important one. Social media platforms like you already know, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, there are so many social media platforms. Basically these platforms are where ideally our customers is going to be hanging out. They are going to be using this social media for their personal benefits, interacting with their friends using social media. So we want to have our business on these platforms where our customers are also in. So that is where social media marketing comes into play, where we will be using these social medias to market our small business into them. Next, we have email marketing. Email marketing is where we will collect relevant or our target audience emails through customer approach or by using lead magnets and newsletter subscriptions. And once customers is interested on learning more about our products or services or in our niche, we will provide helpful information, we will teach customers, we will provide tips. By doing that, we will also silently promoting our products or services to customers. So even a customer who purchase you one time, they can become recurring or repeat customers to your business. Or a customer who is not interested on your product at the first time, after several helpful emails and guides, they might come back to you and purchase from you as well. Then we have ads. Ads also known as PPC, pay per click adverts campaign. We can run ads on almost all the platforms in the internet. Search engine we can run ad, social medias we can run ad, any places you consider we can run ads. Running ads is also not simple at all, because if you don't know how to manage or how to properly target your ads, you might run out of your budget very fast. You might be spending money on an unrelevant customer base or untargeted customer audience. But learning how to run the ads perfectly without worrying about going unreasonably out of broad topic help you to focus your ad campaigns in a targeted level and get the results you want. It's not about reaching how many people, but it's about reaching your target audience. So with the knowledge on how to use the very comfortably, or with the knowledge will get us more results for us. And also, these are some of the main digital marketing strategy. But just remember, the digital marketing strategy is also constantly evolving, so this is not fixed anymore. I have just explained some of the main ones, but so many digital marketing strategies are coming into play, and with the development of AI also, this is getting much more interesting right now. So make sure that these are just a basic ones, and by creating more videos in the futures, I'll explain you some of the new digital marketing strategies also, which might be interesting to you, which might give you more results even compared to these old digital marketing strategies for you. Okay, let's start. The reason which I'm saying let's start now is this is going to be a video series. I told you at the initial stage, because I don't want to give you all the information in one video. It is going to be confusing for you. So what I have decided to you, I'm going to create single video focusing on each single objective, which you can use to understand quickly the concept and apply this digital marketing for your small business. So I'm going to give you a solid digital foundation. That is going to be the next video, which I will show you how to get the solid foundation for your website or business to do digital marketing. Then I'm going to give you idea on how you can create best content, which is going to be helpful on your content marketing. I'm going to show you how to do search engine optimization for your website and for your local business listing. I'm going to show you tips and strategies which you can use on your social media marketing channel. And finally, I will also show you how you can run ads and email marketing and lot more digital marketing strategies for you. All this is just going to be theory. I'm going to show you digital step by step practical knowledge, practical videos. I will give you a checklist. I'm going to give you worksheets. I'm going to give you tutorial guides, which you can follow all this to straight away start applying for it. Finally, before wrapping up, I just want to make sure that this is not just an overnight push button solution for you, because I'm going to be teaching all the content one by one for you. If you're going to be learning with me, you don't need to worry anything else, because I'm going to teach you the right, exact, current, relevant strategies. But if you are expecting not putting any work into it, not just watching the video and without doing it, trying to get the success for your business, unfortunately this is not going to be work, because I'm going to give you all the methods. I'm going to point you in the right direction, but you need to take that initiative and go out and start doing it for yourself. That is, I want to show you in the next video. I'm going to show you what are the must have digital foundation for your business and for your website also, which helps you to understand your target audience and help you to decide which is the right digital marketing strategies which you should use. I will leave the link in the video itself, and also I will leave that next video's link in the pinned comment in the YouTube section also. And also do leave a comment telling me like what is the biggest fear on digital marketing for you, because I reply all the comments. We have a community of digital entrepreneurs and small business owner also. So if you are feeling uncomfortable, if you are having some problems with your digital marketing or any doubts on small business, do let me know and I will also try to help you. Remember, in digital marketing, the size does not matter how big or small your business is. As long as you understand the concept, you can apply it to get the best result for you as well.